mix, 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 mix. What's that, Eva?
Ginger.
Ginger. That's right.
Shalom, Shalom, Yisrael. So this week it starts on Yom Shishi, which is Friday. I was doing a little bit of prep. Right here, I am mixing up some ginger. It came out really well. After this, I have some aloe vera, some aloe vera leaf. And basically I took the leaf, opened it up, and I harvest the insides, which is very sticky and yummy for the hair. So if you guys would like to know what this recipe is, please message me. I do this for, I actually have been experimenting on this so that I can get something that will strengthen up my hair, and it's been working pretty well. Alright, so then this one is rose, chamomile to help soothe, the horsetail to help moisturize, aloe vera powder, and safflower for energy for the hair. Blend it all up. So I got two different kinds. This one has the coconut milk. This one actually doesn't, even though it looks lighter. But I'm happy with the recipe. I've been working really hard on this. So after that, I had prepared the soup. I had baked some bread. I did double, and I had also made some late night snacks. And I had also made our breakfast in the morning, which was pretty much just olives and avocado. We did boil some eggs. We wound up actually not eating the eggs. We left them for my Isha Saba. So this is in the morning. We had prepared and gotten our clothes ready, and then we went and enjoyed our Shabbat service. I didn't record this Shabbat. It was pretty intense all week. I had been taking care of my Ish Ima, so a lot had been going on. After our Shabbat service, we took some lovely pictures, and then we headed out to see my Ish mom. She was actually at a facility for one day, and we brought her home. Today is Yom Shini, which is Monday, so she is here today with us. And pretty soon we're hoping that we'll have some family visit her really soon. So today I am getting ready. We're actually preparing, I'm actually preparing the taxes for my Ish. I'll finish that today. And afterwards, I'm hoping to later on post that fruit video. So thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. I look at you guys all as my mishpachah. So thank you so much for supporting this journey with me, this life in Shalom with the Most High. We thank you so much for everything. Shalom, Shalom, Yisrael.